How to set up Jockie Music Bot on Discord. Here's exactly how to set up the Jockie Music Bot in just a few quick steps. Step 1. Open your browser and go to jockeymusic.com. This is the official site where you can invite the bot. Step 2. You'll see multiple Jockie bots, red, blue, green, purple. Click invite on the one you want. You can add more later if you want multiple music channels. Step 3. Log into your Discord account, then select the server where you want to add Jockie. Click Continue, then Authorize, and solve the CAPTCHA. Step 4. Go to Discord and join a voice channel. The bot will only play music if you're inside one. Step 5. In any text channel, type /play, then paste your YouTube, Spotify, or SoundCloud link, or just type a song name. Example, /play Shape of You. Jockie will join your voice channel and start playing music right away. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.